Hi everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holidays with the Housewife video. If you don't know what Holidays with the Housewife is, no worries, it is my annual Christmas card making event, 12 full days of card making fun. Today I have a really fun pyramid card for you. This is my Christmas tree pyramid card. Isn't that fun? It's completely 3D. It's held together with a Velcro dot in the back, and then it folds nice and flat for mailing. Your message goes here on the back, and of course comes with an included envelope. It's really simple to put together. I know that it looks a little intimidating, but it's not at all. I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG Cut File. Okay, here we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my free file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form and then be emailed the password. But for now, we're going to go to Enter the Library. Once you've typed in the password, you're brought to all the free files. At the time of recording this video, I do not have any of the Holidays with the Housewife card files in my file library, but there is a graphic that is popping up right now that tells you the design number for this particular card. Go ahead and click that hyperlink, download the file onto your computer, make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we're in a new project in CRICUT Design Space, we can head to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. Now that the file has been brought into CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We need to do some converting of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Highlight the score line, come up to Operation and change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. Scroll down and do the same thing for the card base. Highlight the score line, change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. Now that those two pieces have the score lines converted, we can go ahead and click Make It. I'm going to be using the mat for this project, and you'll see the different mats for this card. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I will see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Now that we have everything cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. I've already gone ahead and matted and layered the two back pieces. They both can act as your messaging panels for the back, and those will go right here. Okay, so I'm going to set those to the side. Let's move our card base out of the way. And now we can go ahead and layer our different pattern papers. In the file in CRICUT Design Space, these pattern pieces are going to be the brighter red color that is sitting on top of the green pieces in the file once you upload it into Design Space. I do have a layering guide that will help you visualize this a little bit better, so I would refer you to that while I am putting these together. Alright, so we have our pattern pieces all laid out onto our mats here. So I'm going to just carefully kind of move them out of the way so that they can dry a little bit more. Now let's go ahead and fold the card base itself. So first let's go ahead and fold the center score line. Give that a burnish. Now with the fold as a mountain fold, you're going to want to fold the angled pieces as mountain folds. Okay, so once we're all said and done, we have our center fold as a mountain fold, and then the two diagonal as mountain folds as well. Now that those have been trained a little bit, we can go ahead and add our mats to the card base. Like I said earlier, these two pieces that can act as your messaging panels are going to go in the left and right top corners. Then the larger of the two pieces with the pattern paper are going to go in the center. And then the smaller triangles are going to go on these little points right here. So I'm going to go ahead and layer those really quick. Okay, so there are all of our mats and layers assembled on the card. Now we can go ahead and take our Velcro dot, place the one side of the dot there, go ahead and place the other side on top, so then when I go ahead and close up the card, should be right where I want it. Here we go. So we have our two sides that are the pattern paper and then the messaging panel here. So I'm going to go ahead and add my star. I've opened the card up flat. The top point goes right over right there in the corner. There we go. So then when you go ahead and open the card up, that star is completely optional. If you don't want to use that, you certainly don't have to. I just think that it just enhances the Christmas tree kind of look with this card. So I am going to go ahead and set the card to the side so I can show you how to make the envelope. Now for the envelope, we're just going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take your inlay panel and add your glue along the outer edge. Go ahead and place that over the cutout on the envelope. Now take those side flaps and fold them in. Add your glue along the bottom. And then bring the bottom flap up and give it a press. And there is our envelope. When you're ready to put the card in the envelope, just open the card up. Fold it flat. Just like that. They opened it up. And there is our cute little Christmas tree pyramid card. Isn't this card so neat? I really love the 3D aspect that the pyramid design makes. Really fun to put together. I hope that you make this card. If you do make it, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making friends who love to support and motivate each other, and we would love to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I will see you at the next card making video. Bye.